everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about sheet masks. Now, if you've been wondering whether or not you should use them and what is the correct way of using them, then make sure you watch the whole of this video and also subscribe to my channel. Sheet masks originated in Korea and they are one of Korea's biggest gift to the skincare industry. They changed the way we look at face masks. Face masks initially would be used for very specific actions like purifying the skin, taking care of a tan, taking care of acne and stuff like that. But with sheet masks, the emphasis is on hydration. All sheet masks are known to provide instant hydration to skin because they are saturated with so much of serum. Sheet masks come loaded with a lot of other ingredients and one of them is collagen, and collagen is known to bring that bounce back to the skin. Sheet masks look like this and they're basically a thin sheet of fabric or paper in some cases, and they have a lot of serum content in them. In fact, if you open a sheet mask pack and if you look inside, you'll still find a lot of liquid, and that liquid is nothing but all of the good stuff which is inside the mask. Today, sheet masks come with a whole lot of purposes like brightening the skin, anti-aging and more. But the one thing that all sheet masks will do is that they will instantly hydrate and moisturize your skin. When we go out for a facial, they kind of massage all of that product, whether it's a moisturizer, it's a cream or it's a gel based product into the skin, and the result of that is really glowy looking skin which looks extremely nourished, extremely healthy. Sheet masks give you that same result at a much lesser cost and in much lesser time. Now, sheet masks are so handy and so convenient that you can literally use them anytime. You can use them in a flight, while traveling, while watching TV, while doing any housework. So I personally have two times when I particularly use sheet masks and I feel that they give better results than other times. So first is when I have to go out and I have to put on a full face of makeup, and I'll actually use a sheet mask during my skin prep. So when I actually put on makeup, it sits much better on the skin. And the second time when I feel sheet masks are very effective is actually using them in the night before going to bed. I think that time the serum gets absorbed into the skin really beautifully and you've rested it out, and the next morning you just get beautiful glowy skin. Now, there are a lot of sheet masks available in India today. A lot of Korean skincare brands have come here and have their own sheet mask range. But today in this video, I'm going to be trying out the Nykaa Sheet Mask range. So these are the Nykaa Sheet Masks. I have about 5 of these and you get many more variants, but these are the 5 that I have. They are also made in Korea and I have used them once and I've honestly really liked them. The variants that I have are almond and yogurt for revitalized nourished skin, rose and goat milk for nourished radiant skin, charcoal and bamboo for purified nourished skin, avocado and moringa for nourished and hydrated skin, and gooseberry and papaya for nourished and brightened skin. So we're gonna go into trying out one of these Nykaa sheet masks now. But what is the correct way of using a sheet mask? So step number 1 is to cleanse your face. You need to get rid of any makeup that you have and just make sure you're washing your face nicely. Now I'm going in with toner. So I'm going to be using this one, the rose and goat milk for nourished radiant skin. So this is usually how all sheet mask packaging is. You tear it up from here and get the sheet mask out from inside, and as you can see, it's absolutely drenched with serum. To open up the sheet mask, and be careful while doing this. There have been times when I've ended up tearing my sheet mask a little bit. So this is the sheet mask and you can see the cutout parts, and you're supposed to fix this on your face. And when you're fixing the sheet mask on your face, make sure you're just smoothing out all of the air bubbles. There are usually a few of them because the size of the sheet mask may be too big for your face or something. So just try and smoothen them out with your fingers. And after fixing the sheet mask, you can basically do anything. Just let it sit on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you're not letting it completely dry. That has the opposite effect. It ends up taking the moisture out of your face. But just keep it for 20 minutes. Usually that should be a good enough time. And after you fix the sheet mask, just check the packet in which it came. There'll still be a lot of serum in there, so get it out, use it on your hands, on your cuticles, on your elbows, on your neck, basically wherever your skin needs that extra hydration, and don't waste it. This is the good stuff. Alright, now I'm gonna take this off. So satisfying. Whenever I take off a sheet mask, I actually just squeeze in whatever is here, getting the best and the most out of that serum. Basically, after you've taken off your sheet mask, you don't need to follow up with any more skincare products. Your skin won't need moisturizer, serum, nothing for that particular day. I hope you sorted out all of your sheet mask queries. If you're still wondering if you should try a sheet mask or not, then I suggest you do try it. I'm going to link some of my most favorite sheet masks in the description bar below, so make sure you check that. I quite like this Nykaa one as well. I think it does the job. It's available at ₹100, and I'm going to link that one as well. And that is really it from me in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.